Welcome to TrialPad, the most powerful and intuitive way to organize, present, and win with your evidence. Built for the courtroom, the conference room, or anywhere your case takes you. Whether you're preparing for trial, mediation, or a hearing, TrialPad gives you complete control of your exhibits. Your documents, photos, videos, demonstratives, and video evidence are only one tap away. Everything starts with your case file. Import PDFs, photos, videos, audio, even maps. TrialPad organizes it all in one place, ready to go at a moment's notice. Need to find an admitted exhibit fast? Use filters and full-text search to zero in instantly. TrialPad turns your iPad into a dynamic presentation tool. Call out key sections, highlight testimony, or redact sensitive info with a single tap. Compare exhibits side by side with split screen mode or zoom in for dramatic effect. Everything you show is clean, sharp, and impactful. TrialPad makes it easy to present multimedia evidence like surveillance footage, dashcam video, or phone recordings. Pause, scrub, and control playback, ensuring the jury sees exactly what you want them to. Tap to play, or take a snapshot and zoom in. Tag your crucial evidence as key docs. Apply customized exhibit stickers, even in bulk. Every move is fast, consistent, and fully under your control. Need to export for opposing counsel or the court? TrialPad can export your exhibits, stamped, labeled, and ready to share. TrialPad is built for legal presentation. In a courtroom, conference room, or remote forum, your iPad becomes the ultimate evidence presentation system. Bookmark your documents, highlight and call out on the fly, save your annotations, add presenter notes to never lose your place, and more. TrialPad isn't just a tool, it's your competitive advantage. Whether you're making your case in front of a judge, a jury, or your client, TrialPad delivers. Every tool, every trial, one suite. TrialPad is the only trial presentation tool you'll ever need.